I'ma fuck up my life. I'ma fuck up my life. We gon' party all night. She don't care if I die.
Be so busy that you don't have time to be sad. Be the reason someone smiles today. Boys have swagger, men have style, gentlemen have character. Burn the past, turn the page, move on. Do more things that make you feel happy. Don't fall for sweet words, fall for sweet efforts. Don't let idiots ruin your day. Dream big, hustle hard. Excuses will never make you rich. Heartbreak is good for your career. I am all in on my goals. I didn't come this far to quit. I don't treat people badly, I treat them accordingly. If you don't control your mind, someone else will. Is it one day or day one, you decide. It's better to be real than to be perfect. Karma is way better than love, at least what we give, come back to us. Life is journey, not a destination. Learn to enjoy the ride. Life without challenges is boring. Memories take you back, dreams take you forward. Next year, 12 new chapters, 365 new chances. Once you see results, it becomes addiction. Pain shapes a man into a warrior. Play smart. Act like you didn't notice anything. Sometimes you need to be your own hero. The smarter you get, the lesser you speak. Train yourself. Learning is a kid's stuff. Work like a slave, live like a king. You are very special, just remember that. You only fail when you quit.